And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Victory Field here in Indianapolis, Indiana, the best International League ballpark in America and home of your Indianapolis Indians. It's Sunday afternoon and you're looking down below with Hall of Fame broadcaster Howard Kellman, who's doing a pregame interview with one of the Pittsburgh Pirates representatives. The Pirates, of course, are the home team and National League affiliate of the Indians. Today the Indians take on the Columbus Clippers in the last few games of the regular season. The Indians have been crowned as International League Western Division champions, out in front by 10 games. Looking forward to the playoffs in the coming weeks, and we wish them all the best. From Indianapolis in downtown and Victory Field, this is Steve McClure reporting.